we would like to introduce the new KEW KEW 1021R digital multimeter. Here are some basics. The 1021R measures AC and DC current up to 10 amps and also AC-DC voltage up to 600 volts. Additionally, it measures continuity, capacitance, frequency, resistance, duty cycle and diode test. The 1021R is a high-resolution 6,000 count multimeter featuring an extra-large backlit display. All the essential accessories are included in the box. These include test leads, batteries, a spare ceramic fuse, an instruction manual, a handy detachable holder and a soft carry case. The 1021R has been designed with three key factors in mind: safety, user-friendliness and reliability. First of all, safety. It is important to choose the correct meter for your particular working environment. Because the Q1021R has a Category 4 rating, it can be used safely even at the point of origin for high energy power sources. Secondly, user-friendliness. Compared to most other multimeters, the Q1021R has a much larger LCD display and features a backlight function, making it easier for the user to read. The light is automatically turned off after 1 minute to save batteries. The instrument also incorporates electronic protection, which is fuseless, to save it from damage in the event of voltage being applied in the continuity and buzzer ranges. A high breaking capacity fuse protects the current ranges. The ergonomic over-molded body ensures a comfortable fit for your hand. Thirdly, reliability. Perhaps more than anything else, the user needs to feel confident in the accuracy of his meter's readings, and the 1021R incorporates a true RMS function. This feature enables accurate readings even in the presence of distorted waveforms, such as those created by modern technology, LED lamps, motor inverters, PCs, TVs, air conditioners, etc. There are also some handy optional accessories available for the 1021R. For example, a magnetic hanging strap is available, which allows the meter to be fixed to a metal cabinet or switchboard, enabling hands-free operation for the user. The 1021R can also accept external inputs from optional KEW AC or AC-DC clamps, providing a direct reading from these devices when the sensor setting is selected. So we can strongly recommend you use and take advantage of the many features and benefits of the Q1021R for your electrical jobs.